Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain if your mouse got stuck, right? If it is in full screen, for example, I'm going to make it full screen. So the shortcut is, okay, to get the settings, shift tab on your keyboard. So use shift tab, or just press escape, okay, or again press escape. You will get this shift tab. You can click on that. If you click on the control, right? So if you click on this control, you can see these options. You can exit the full screen. If you want to exit the game, you can exit. But in order to get the control right, so what you need to do is, in order to get back the mouse, you need to use shift tab. Use shift tab, okay? Use shift tab. So here you can enable this controllers. So here's the control. So you can change it whatever you want. Okay, you can edit also. To play normally, you need to use shift tab if your mouse got stuck. And then if the game is stuck, then you can close it and reopen it. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can troubleshoot if your mouse got stuck on Google Play games for PC. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care, friends.